Dear students, today we'll discuss about implementation examples of loaders. That means we are going to see some of the loaders which is used practically. So, MS-DOS linker, Sun OS linkers, Cray MPP linkers. These are the things used in the market nowadays. MS-DOS linker. Loader and linker both is going to perform the operations loading, linking and relocation. Now we will see MS-DOS linker. So it is a linker for Pentium and other x86 systems. This is a linker used in Pentium and other x86 systems. What we are using the Pentium systems, everything that this linker only it will be used. x86 systems means we will be having 8086 system, 80386 system, all those things. This MS-DOS linker only it is used. Most MS-DOS compilers and assemblers will take MS-DOS. We are going to use high level language also and as well as operating system low level language, assembly level language also. So we need compilers for high level language conversion and assemblers for a low level, that is conversion. That means assembly code to object code. That is produce object modules. Then they are stored in OBJ files. We know that after converting into high level language source program into object code, it will be stored in the file extension .obj. Okay, that MS-DOS link is a linkage editor that combines one or more object files to produce a complete executable program .exe file. So that as a computer science students all we knows. So the first the source propose will take any high level language program or C program or C++ program, anything. First it will be compiled in the sense it will be converted into object program that will be stored in the OBJ file. After that, with the help of linker, that all OBJ files are linked together and that will be stored in the, it is called as executable file with .exe extension it will be stored. The file is later executed for results. So finally which file we are going to execute means we are going to execute only exe file for execution. Next we are having Sun OS linker. Before that you should know in Pentium and x86 systems that MS-DOS linker is used. Now we are going for a Sun OS linkers. Sun OS linkers are developed for SPARC systems. This is especially used in SPARC systems. Sun OS provides two different linkers. One is link editor and another one is runtime linker. So it just both the things. And link editor is invoked in the process of assembling or compiling a program. Link editor, what is the use of that link editor means it will handle assembling and compiling a program. What is that assembling means? If we are using assembly level language, converting into object program, and compiling a program means high level language means compiling operations will be used. Produces a single output module, one for of the following types. So it is going to produce a single output module. It is not only going to do the converting into object file, it is going to make a executable file. The linking operation also should be taken care by the link editors, and that will be in any one of the following format. That is, first format is it may be in relocatable object module. So relocatable object module means it is suitable for further link editing. Again we do that process. And static executable means with all symbolic references bound and ready to run. Static executable means it is ready for execution. And dynamic executable means from name itself it is there, it is dynamic executable, in which some symbolic references may need to be bound at runtime. Okay, so next is the shared object. Shared object, what is going to do means which provides services that can be bound at runtime to one or more dynamic executables. So you should know the link editor, what it is going to do means it is going to process the assembling or compiling a program, produces a single object module. That object module will be any one of the three formats. It may be a relocatable object module, or it may be a static executable, or it may be a dynamic executable. Okay. Then next we will see Cray MPP linker. The first one is used for only that x86 and Pentium systems, and Sun OS is used for Spark system especially. Now we are going to see Cray MPP linker. Cray MPP linker, massively it is used for parallel processing applications. Linker, this is developed for Cray T3E systems. Okay, you should remember Cray MPP linker means it is used for parallel processing operations. The system which will support parallel processing where the Cray MPP linker is used. A T3E system contains large number of parallel processing elements. Yes, the parallel processing elements will be more. Okay, each parallel processing element has local memory and has access to remote memory. So it will be having local memory, and as well as it can access from the remote memory also, each parallel processing element. The processing is divided among PEs, that is parallel processing elements, and contains shared data and private data. Because parallel processing is going on, no, some of the data within that process it will be handled, some of the data it can refer from the another process. Okay, so that also will be handled among that. The loader program gets copy of the executable code, its private data, and its portion of the shared data, that means the loader program gets copy of the executable code, its private data, and its portion of the shared data. The MPP linker organizes box containing executable code, private data, and shared data. So in Cray MPP linker, you should remember it handle three different data: executable code that will be within the parallel processing elements, and private data is particularly it's private to the particular parallel processing element, and shared data is some of the data should be shared among the processing elements, because the parallel processing elements, no, multiple process is going to share that element, that it should be handled by these things. So where we need the parallel processing operation, that place the Cray MPP linker will be used. The linker then writes an executable file that contains a relocated and linked blocks, that is default operation. The executable file also specifies the number of PEs, number of parallel processing elements required, and other control information. The linker can create an executable file that is targeted for a fixed number of PEs, or one that allow a partition size to be chosen at a runtime. So it allows both, can be handled during the executable time or it may be handled before that also. Both are possible in Cray MPP linker. Later type is called plastic executable. That type we can call it as a plastic executable. I think you people understood the loader. There is some other implementation examples. MS-DOS linker, OS linker, and Cray MPP linker. Be clear about this, and the some of the commands should be given textbook and notes I have shared that. Please go through that. Thank you.